This platform right here called the CPA Grip is an amazing platform which a lot of people actually do use to make money right now in the year 2023 and beyond. And right here guys, you can actually see my earnings on this platform called CPA Grip. You can see how much I've been able to earn using this particular platform, and that's why in today's video I'm going to show you a simple strategy which you can utilize to start earning some cool cash right here on such platforms right now in the year 2023 and beyond. So first of all guys, you want to head on to this platform called CPA Grip to actually go on to getting a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote right now. You could also use this platform right here called the CPA House to go on to getting offers right here which you could go on to promoting right here, and the offers actually ranges from the dating offer, the neutral offer, sweepstake offers, and many other kinds of offers. But I'm going to use CPA Grip right here. Click on register if you don't have an account. You'll be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately. Go on to logging into your account after your account has actually been created right here. And if you do log into your account, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. Right now you could just simply click on offer to section and my offers, and you could then go on to selecting any offer of your choice from any demographic out there. I can just simply select offers from the United States demographic, of which I'm going to be showing offers available to this demographic. And if I do click on any of this offer right now, you can actually do see more details about the offers right here, which you could actually do go on to copying your unique affiliate link right here and try as much as possible to promote that particular offer to as many people out there. I'm just going to be utilizing a cool platform right here which is called the PushHouse right here. You could utilize this platform to actually go to posting ads right here on this platform, as this is actually an advertising network right here where you actually do go on to using any of this ad format right here, which is the iOS push, in-page push notification, and the native push notification right here on such platforms. You could actually see the network volume which you do get right here per country right here using this particular platform, and you can actually do go on to uploading or promoting your CPA marketing offer with just these 5 simple steps. And guys, you can see right here that once you do sign up to this platform, you want to create an ad. Go on to using the GEO, which is to choose a region that you will receive your ad, launch your ad, and actually get your results from these platforms right here. So you could also utilize this platform right now, this platform right here, which is called the propellerads.com, to do similar stuff right here. And this platform do have some cool ad formats such as the push notification, in-page push notification, terrestrial notification, and the pop under. And if I log into my account, I can actually do go into funding my account via clicking on add fund. You'll be shown a lot of funding platforms or funding methods which you can actually take advantage of. Once you do fund your account, click on create campaign and actually do go to filling out the details which will be shown appropriately. You want to select a campaign name right here, and supposing I do select this campaign name, go on to choosing an ad format right here. Maybe I do select the push notification. For this section, I'm going to leave this on classic push, but I'm going to change this right here to the cost per click, which is the pricing model right here. And once that has actually been changed, for this target URL, you want to paste in the link to your CPA marketing offer. If I do paste in that particular link right there, I'm just going to go into the traffic source and remove the partner traffic. For this user activity, leave it as it is. For this countries and bid section, you want to go to selecting the United States. So if I do select the United States right here, I'm going to keep on scrolling through. For the advertising budget, just simply go to inserting a budget which you want to use right now. If I want to use $30 and I want my ad to run for 5 days, I'm going to multiply that by 5, which is $150 right there, and that's going to be my total campaign right now, campaign budget. And I'm going to keep on scrolling through guys till I can actually do see the creative section. And in this creative section, this is how you or the section which you're going to set how you want your ad to actually look like. You could actually go to inserting a title, a description, and actually also add in cool images right here via this section. And supposing I do add in title and description based on CPA Grip right here, I'm just going to go to copying this exact same text right now, head back to that particular page, and actually do go to posting that as a title. But I've actually exceeded about 4 characters right here, so this is actually okay right now. For the description, I'm going to go on to copying this exact same description right here. And once you do that right here, As you can see, that is actually done for this image section. Supposing I do download this image right here or get a better image right now, I can actually do go on to using that image for this particular platform right now. And if I do head back to my propeller ads, I'm just going to click on this icon right here and upload the image which I actually just downloaded right now. So if I do click on that, I'm going to click on crop. I'm also going to do the same thing for this particular landscape section. And if I just follow this procedure rightly, I'm going to click on crop and you're going to see the preview of my ad right here for Android devices, Windows and the Mac OS right now. Once you're done, add more creatives, and it is necessary you do add in at least 4 creatives and use a different text combination, different banner and a lot more other stuff right there, which you can actually do help you boost in your chances of earning some cool cash right here on this platform. And guys, the cool thing about this right now is that you could take advantage of this platform called the spy.house to actually go on to analyzing how people actually promote such kinds of offers online right here. With this particular platform, you can actually do go on to pasting in the offer name and you'll be able to see how people are promoting that exact same offers, the strategy which they do use, and you can actually do go on to adopting that right now. What you want to do right here is to register for this platform and start monitoring and analyzing a lot of online ads right now, and actually use that to your profiting right here to boost your income on such platforms. So hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, simply smash the like button, subscribe to this channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.